Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to get Microsoft Office 365 for live. It is pretty simple. Let's go do that, guys. Head over to your browser and go type Microsoft Developer, okay? Then go locate developer.microsoft.com. Then click on that. So scroll down and go for Microsoft 365 here, okay? Click on that. So scroll down and go look for join today. So as you can see, join the Microsoft 365. So go for the join today. So we go for join now, okay? Let me close this and log out because I have an account already, okay? So when you get to this point, you will be able to log in if you already have an account. If not, go for create one. Click on that and then create an account. I already have one, so I will go for login, okay? So once you are already logged in, then let's go for Microsoft 365 and then go for join today and then join now. When you get here, under products, go for Microsoft Teams. Under technologies, you can go for Office add-ins. Then language, go select any language, but preferably let's go for JavaScript, okay? JavaScript. Then after that, we go for apply. Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint. So when everything is ticked, you can go for developer 2 once again and go for join now, okay? So under here, let's go for join now. That will give us this interface, okay? So have a look here. Don't mind this 90 days left. It is for 3 months, but it is renewable, okay? With a simple activity, you can renew that every 3 months. So it is for a lifetime. It's free of charge. So don't worry about paying for any subscription. It's free. Let's go for the instant sandbox and go for next. So here you will have to set up your region, then the username, okay? Then password, you have to choose a password. So here, make sure you write down the admin username and the password. You are going to need it to activate your Microsoft 365, okay? You don't need any product key, but when you open, for example, Microsoft PowerPoint, you will be required to sign it or enter your product key, but you don't need a product key. What you need is this admin username and your password, okay? So you can see that your password must be between 15 to 20 characters and must include uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and one or more of these symbols, okay? So let's go for that. So done, and let's go for continue. Let me save my password. Now you have to add your phone number for security, okay? So I will go for send code. Then let's wait for the code to come. So my code came. Then I will go for setup. If your code did not come, you can resend, okay? Click to resend. So let's go for setup. Remember, I told you that you should write down your username and your password. So when you open PowerPoint, for example, you will be required to activate your Microsoft 365, okay? You don't need a product key. What you need is to click on the sign in button and enter this, your email here, the administrator. So it's together with your username and you can see the second part, join together will give you that. So enter everything you see under administrator here, okay? Then enter your password and you're good to go. activate it and then close it and restart PowerPoint again, and you are set to go. So have a look at what we have here. This is renewable. After 3 months, you have to do a simple activity to get it renewed. It's very easy. Okay, but remember, there will be a follow-up video on the activity that you must do in order to do what, to get it renewed after the first 3 months. Okay, it's for a lifetime. Just keep on doing this activity and you're gonna get it renewed every 3 months. So now go to subscription. Okay, now I will have to log in again. Remember the password that you just created. So I will enter my password, then I will sign in. Got it? Action required. Okay, so I will go for next, but let's go for choose a different method. Phone, I can use my phone. Okay, confirm. Then I will choose my country. Then I will put my number. Then I will get the text. Then next. So verified. So we're in. So right now, once we're here, go for install apps. Okay, we are going for Microsoft 365 app. So you can see what it contains: Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and every. Okay, I will go for that. Then got it. So I will have to save it. I will go for save as. Let me go have it here on the downloads, and now we go for save. So if you go for the downloads, look at where we have it. I will double click. So do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? You go for yes. So as you can see, we have it. Have a look. We will be done in just a moment. So have a look and you can see that we are all set. Okay, so here you can see that we have Word and PowerPoint and others. So when you expand, you will see all of them what we have. So I will go for PowerPoint. So now let's sign in. So let's go for sign in to get started with Office. Sign in or create account. Activate Office. So to activate it, so what you need here is the username I told you to write down and the password. Log in again. Please restart any Office apps to enable the features of Microsoft 365 apps for enterprise. So as you can see, we have activated our Microsoft Office 365. So let me go restart it. I will close it and then go for that again, PowerPoint. Everything is here. As you can see, we are good to go. So remember, there will be another video on what you should actually be doing. Very little things so that this could be renewed after 3 months. It's for a lifetime, so don't worry about it. The little exercises you can do is enough. It's not a big deal. It's not in, so don't panic. When you click on the like button, this video will be able to reach as many people as possible. So please like the video, okay? Subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thanks and God bless you.